Hello, your anxiety nurse again, Lawrence. I just want to share some experience and realization. This is not to brag or I'm not being self-righteous here, ano po. Sabi nga nila, as long as you motivate and inspire some people, do it. Don't mind the negativity and haters. Ever since nagka-anxiety ako, I noticed that I've changed for the better. I no longer drink alcohol, smoke cigarettes, gamble, watch porn, o mang chicks. Hindi halata sa itsura na ng bababae, ano po. But kidding aside, anxiety and mental health struggles made me a better person today. Mas lumapit at naging close ako sa ating Panginoon. I may be strong and opinionated type of person, pero I was able to become a better version of myself. That is why lahat tayo nakaka-experience, no? Every sufferers are blessed in the way. Because our struggle help us to be self-aware and improve as a person. So let us look into the positive side and try to search kung ano ang sinasabi sa atin ng trial na ito. So hanggang sa muli po. God bless at muli ang inyong lingkod, si Lawrence, ang inyong mga anxiety nurse.